Hey, welcome to Cooking with Camp. The weather's getting cooler, so it's time to make some gumbo. So I've got my chicken. I'm gonna make a little chicken and sausage and maybe some shrimp gumbo. And we got our chicken on the grill. I'm using my big outdoor grill here, and we're gonna give it a shot. It's kind of like a Santa Maria. So let's get started. We got some boneless chicken thighs browning up on my grill. Let's see here. We'll get those browned up and I'll go get the big pot. We'll put it on and start trying to make a roux. Alright, before we start making our roux, let's saute our celery, onions, and green peppers. Diced up. It is smelling good already. Chicken's still getting brown over here. We are on our way. We got all our vegetables sauteed, so it's time to try to start making a roux. Here we go. I put my flour in my oil. Now I'm slowly spinning it around. This will take a while, but you gotta keep it moving. Got about the color I wanted, so I threw in my vegetables and my chicken. Look at that. Wow, that's looking good. A good gumbo without some sausage. I got some andouille sausage we're gonna throw in here. Let it cook just a little while. Our coals are looking great, so we're gonna put the lid on and let her cook. It's been about an hour. Let's check it out. Oh man. Ooh-wee. Wow, check that out. Let me stir it up a minute. Hold on. All right, let's stir it up a second. See. Oh, chicken's getting tender. Smelling awesome. See if I can get you a good view of this. Look at that. Look at that. Wait till the very end and I'll throw in the shrimp, and I bought a few scallops. I might throw them in there too. So starting to look good. Okay guys, I hope you can see this. As you can see, it's got a little dark on me out here. Getting dark too early now. But I put in a little cayenne, just a pinch, you know, in my pan there, and I also added some Tony Satrions, just I don't know, probably about a teaspoon of that to give a little bit more flavor. Now I'm about to put the scallops in. I got it going at a boil right now. Let me get the cover off. Show you what it looks like. Show you how it looks. Oh yeah, look at that. Looking good, looking good. I got here some scallops. Can't see them real well in the dark, but I'm gonna throw them in. Let them cook just a little while. There's your scallops right there. Oh, big scallops too. Okay. All right, we'll put the lid on. I added just a touch of rice, because I love rice. But anyway, like I said, I added some Tony Satrions and a little bit of cayenne. Just put the scallops in, and we'll be rolling. I'll add the shrimp at the very end. Woo-wee. Okay, I brought our gumbo inside. For the last part, we're gonna put the shrimp in here. Put the lid on it and let that shrimp sit there for a minute, and we're gonna be ready. All right, it's done. Look at this. Scallops, shrimp, sausage. Woo-wee. Now that's good. So the weather's getting colder. Try some gumbo. Look at that. Thanks for watching Cooking with Cam.